Best remote control planes. Are you looking for the best remote control planes? In this video we will look at 3 of the on the market best remote control planes before we get started with our video. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Devsolution P-51D Mustang RC Airplane. The P-51D RC airplane is a 4-channel, 2.4 GHz remote-controlled warplane designed to replicate the iconic P-51 Mustang, making it a great option for beginner to intermediate RC pilots. This ready-to-fly, RTF, model comes fully assembled and includes 2 batteries for extended flight time, allowing users to enjoy longer sessions without needing to recharge frequently. The plane is equipped with Spilot stabilization system, which enhances stability and control during flight, especially helpful for new flyers. The system automatically corrects flight deviation and smooths out turbulence, offering a forgiving learning experience. Additional features include 1-key aerobatic and 1-key U-turn functions. These allow the plane to perform stunts and return to its original path with the press of a button, adding excitement without demanding advanced flying skills. Its durable EPP foam construction ensures the aircraft is lightweight yet impact-resistant, reducing the risk of damage from beginner mistakes. The 4-channel setup supports full range controls, throttle, rudder, elevator, and aileron, mimicking real aircraft movement and promoting skill development. The included 2.4 GHz transmitter ensures a reliable connection with minimal interference, supporting multiple planes flying simultaneously without cross-signal issues. Its range is ample for outdoor flying in open spaces like parks or fields. Overall, this RC plane is ideal for those looking to enter the hobby or improve their flying abilities. With stability support, easy stunt capabilities, and beginner-friendly design, the P-51D is both educational and fun to fly. Number 2. Syma Remote Control Helicopter with Camera. The Syma helicopter drone with camera is a versatile and user-friendly remote-controlled flying toy designed for both adults and kids. Equipped with a 1080p HD FPV camera, it allows users to capture clear aerial photos and videos in real time through a first-person view, enhancing the flying experience with immersive visuals. The camera can stream live footage to a connected smartphone, making it suitable for casual photography and exploration. This drone includes several intelligent flight features aimed at beginners. The altitude hold function maintains a steady height automatically, enabling smoother control and clearer footage. Headless mode simplifies navigation by aligning the drone's movement to the pilot's orientation, making it easier to fly regardless of which direction the drone is facing. One of the standout features is the flight route mode, which allows users to draw a flight path on the connected app, and the drone will follow it automatically. Additionally, the 3D flips function enables the drone to perform aerial stunts with a single button press, adding fun and excitement to flights. The package includes 2 rechargeable batteries, extending overall flight time and reducing downtime between sessions. Its durable build and lightweight design make it resistant to minor crashes and suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. With easy-to-use controls, safety features, and fun flight capabilities, the Syma helicopter drone is a great choice for beginners and casual drone enthusiasts looking for an affordable flying camera with entertaining performance features. Number 3. Volantexrc Phoenix S RC Airplane. The Volantexrc Phoenix S brushless RC airplane, 742-7 PnP, is a high-performance remote-controlled glider designed for adult hobbyists and advanced pilots. Featuring a 1.6-meter wingspan, it offers stable, smooth gliding characteristics ideal for soaring and long-distance flights. The sleek aerodynamic design and large wingspan provide excellent lift and efficiency, making it a standout for thermal and slope soaring. This model comes in PnP, plug-and-play, format, meaning it includes the pre-installed motor, ESC, and servos, but requires the user to supply their own transmitter, receiver, and battery. This setup is perfect for experienced pilots who already have their own RC gear and prefer to customize components to match their flying style. The brushless motor ensures powerful and efficient performance, allowing the plane to launch quickly and maintain altitude with ease. The durable plastic fuselage enhances crash resistance and longevity, making it suitable for rougher outdoor conditions. Its lightweight yet robust construction helps balance strength with agile flight capability. Control is smooth and responsive, ideal for performing advanced maneuvers, loops, and gliding at high altitudes. The large wings also contribute to longer flight durations and improved stability in various wind conditions. Overall, the Volantexrc Phoenix S is an excellent glider for intermediate to advanced users seeking a reliable and powerful remote-controlled soaring plane. With quality construction, efficient brushless power, and customizable electronics, it delivers a rewarding flight experience for seasoned RC enthusiasts.